Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send multiple photos or videos along with a message on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing memories and moments in your chats has never been easier. Today, I'll walk you through each step to make sure you can send multiple media files with a text message, all from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with different icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. This will take you to all your Instagram conversations. Now scroll through your chats and find the conversation where you want to send your photos or videos. Click on that chat to open it. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice the message bar, where you usually type your messages. Right next to it, there's a small photo icon. Click on this photo icon to start adding your media. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, you can browse through your computer and choose one of the photos or videos you want to send. Select your first file and click Open. But don't worry, you're not limited to just one. After your first selection, look for the option that says Upload another photo video. Click on it, and you can keep adding more photos or videos, one by one, until you have everything you want to share. Once you've selected all your media, it's time to add your personal touch. Type your comment or message in the text box below the media previews. When you're happy with your message and your chosen files, just click Send. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now send multiple photos and videos along with a text message in your Instagram chats, all from your PC. Give it a try and make your conversations even more fun and expressive. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.